How to create a Payoneer account step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can get started with Payoneer. So let's get into it. Now, Payoneer is an online platform that enables you to accept payments globally. It can be super easy to receive payments internationally and then withdraw them to your own personal bank accounts. There are multiple different business features as well as freelancer and marketplace features. So if you take a look at some of their basic features, it includes being able to get paid on marketplaces like Upwork, Fiverr, having your payment processing, multi-currency accounts, invoicing payments, and international payments. You can see that you can easily get paid with your clients, and then you can withdraw that fund into your local bank account wherever you might be. Plus, you have easy access to manage your business as well as partner directory and managing currencies as well. You can also make payments to your suppliers and pay business expenses with your Payoneer card. And for larger businesses, you have multiple different options such as getting paid on marketplaces, Amazon, eBay, multi-currency, international payment, bulk payments, and more. So to create your account on Payoneer, simply head on over to payoneer.com. Now, because this includes your actual money and this includes a lot of your personal information, you need to make sure that you have either your ID card or a driver's license because you will have to verify your account, and this can take 2 to 3 days for your account verification to be completed. So over here, you're just going to click on register on the top right, and once you click on register, you're going to choose why you want to create your account. So whether you're an online professional, e-com seller, call center holder, a wholesale trader, a consultant, a digital device provider, or other digital business. So let's say we are freelancers and I'm looking to get paid by international clients and I'm just getting started. Now I'm going to click on register over here. And then after that, you can get started with your basic information. So first off, you have to add what type of business you have. It's an individual or if it's a company. Now I am an individual, and then I can input my first name and last name over here like this, and then you're going to add your date of birth, so it needs to be at least 18. Then you're going to click on next over here. Then you're going to input your contact details and then security details. So your security details are going to include your personal verification, and you're just going to upload files or images, and after those files or images, then you're going to actually get verified by Payoneer themselves. Now, Payoneer has really strict guidelines on the accounts that they do approve. They don't approve of any kind of scam, so you really can't create any fake account on Payoneer. So keep that in mind whenever you're creating your account. Now, in your contact details, you will have to provide your phone number, your email address, and more, your address information as well. Then you have security, which is going to be your verification, and that is almost it. We're just going to wait for our first step to be completed. So now I have input my personal information and I've logged onto my account. I've previously created this account because for you guys, I can't really create an account right now because the personal information is going to take quite a few days to process. So I already have this account created. And once you have created your account, this is going to be your dashboard. So in your dashboard, you're going to be able to see on the top right, you have your settings, your basic login, and then on the left side, you have your basic toolbar. So in this toolbar, you can click on get paid, and you have multiple different types of payment options. So you can add a payment request. You can request someone to pay you for a certain service you provided. You can request multiple payments, and you can take a look at your receiving account. So for any standardized account, you're going to have your basic accounts that you have approved. So I have 2 approved accounts, and you can click on request accounts in different countries as well. So let's say I want a new account in Japan, and I can click on next over here, and then I can request a account that is going to be located in Japan that is a receiving account. So I can add that over here as well. Now, this can be great for you to be able to diversify your business. And then after that, you have payment options. So you can pay to a Payoneer account. This is a option available for everyone. So you can send any kind of payment to anyone. Then after that, you can actually pay to a recipient's bank account. So you can go on ahead and add any recipient that you have. You can click on manage recipient accounts like this, and you can actually get started with paying recipients directly to their bank accounts instead of having to instead of having to go through your actual Payoneer account, if your clients or customers or the people that you are using for your services don't have Payoneer, you don't have to worry about that. You can actually just pay them directly into their bank. However, keep in mind that the processing fees for that, the time restrictions for that are going to be more as well. So as you guys can see over here, we have multiple different payment options if we want to pay someone else, but keep in mind that these are pretty limited because you can only pay to a recipient's Payoneer account directly once you create your Payoneer account. However, if you want to pay to a recipient's bank account, you have to add multiple different details, and you're only going to be able to do this after a certain number of transactions have been occurred in your account. So after you received a certain amount of money, then you can pay directly into bank accounts. You can also pay your VAT, which is a sales tax, and you can also pay an Amazon advertising invoice directly. Then you have the Payoneer card option as well. So you can create a card with Payoneer, and you can pay anywhere with MasterCard, and this is going to be the main source of income. So it's going to be available in USD, EUR, GBP, and Canadian dollars, and you can pay wherever you are, however you are. Now, after that, you have withdrawal options. So in your withdrawal options, you have two things. First off, you can withdraw to your bank, and you can enter your bank information over here, and you can enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now, keep in mind that usually $50 is the minimum amount, so 50 USD. And then for EUR, it's going to be around 100. And then for GDP, it's going to be slightly, so it's going to be around that range as well. So you can withdraw to that particular bank account that you have added as your default bank account. Then after that, you have conversion of currencies. So you can choose whatever bank that you have. So for us, it's going to be USD, EUR, and GBP. For most standard accounts, these are the three currencies that you're going to have. So let's say I have my balance in EUR and I want to convert this into USD. So I can add the amount I have like this, and then it will show me the amount to receive that I'll get, and I'll click on get rate over here. And this is going to be the USD I'm going to receive. I'm getting a exchange rate of 1 USD to 0.9 EUR. So let's take a look at the exchange rates like this, so you can get a better understanding of how justifiable Payoneer's rates are. So the current rate is 0.94, and Payoneer is giving me a precise rate of 0.94 as well. So if you want to convert your currencies, you can click on submit over here. And once you click on submit, your transaction will be processed. Now, it's going to take a few minutes for your funds to appear in your USD balance. However, keep in mind that sometimes even when your funds do appear, like they're going to disappear from EUR balance, and it's going to look like as if you don't have any money in your account at all. So you guys can see it shows that I don't have any money in my account, but it's going to take a couple of seconds for this to appear on my account. Now, after this, you have account activity. Here you can manage your transactions, your payment requests that you sent, any kinds of reports and statements, and a letter of good standing can also be generated via Payoneer. Then you have your bank accounts, where you can add your bank accounts that you are using for withdrawal, whatever your bank might be. Then you have your receiving accounts and recipient bank accounts. You can add any of your recipients over here. So you can click on over here, click on add recipient account, and then you're going to have to add the particular country. So let's say we were trying to send money to someone in Canada, and then you're going to click on next. Then you're going to enter the recipient details. So if you take a look at the recipient details, you will be able to see your email, street number, more address options, countries, and more. And then you have your account details, so which bank it is, what kind of IBAN number, or the bank account number is going to be used. Then you're just going to confirm the details, and it's going to actually verify this account. Once the account has been verified, you can actually transfer into that account. So in this way, you can get started with Payoneer. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about Payoneer, international payments, or anything else, leave a comment down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.